Welcome to our basic tech lesson today. In our basic tech lesson today, we want to look at lubrication of gears. Lubrication of gears. The objective of this lesson is for students to 1. Outline the 3 methods of gear lubrication. 2. State the function of lubricants in gears. Lubrication of gears is the application of oil and grease to reduce friction between the machine's gear teeth. In our lessons before, we have talked about lubrication, and we say that lubrication is mostly done to minimize friction or prevent friction in machines. For this particular study we are having on gears, lubrication is done to reduce friction between the gear teeth of machines. The 3 methods of gear lubrication are 1. Grease lubrication, 2. Splash lubrication, 3. Spray lubrication. We will look at them one by one. Grease lubrication involves the application of grease to a gear system that is so long as it runs at a low speed. The grease is usually thick in order to reduce the temperature of the gears. We have a sample of it. You see, this is a thick lubricant used to apply on gears as long as that vehicle runs at a low speed. Grease lubrication is suitable for such gears that run at a low speed, because it will help to reduce the temperature in the gear teeth. Splash lubrication. Splash lubrication is done by dipping gears into a bed of oil as they rotate. It is a normal method of lubricating spur and bevel gears. When we studied types of gears in our normal lessons, almost two periods before now, we have studied spur and bevel gears. So this splash lubrication is done by dipping gears into a bed of oil as they rotate. We have a sample of it here. This is a gear system. These are beds of oil. So as this gear is moving, as the vehicle is moving, the gears are rotating, and as the gears are rotating, the oil from these containers is dropping on these gears. As it's dropping, it's being lubricated. To minimize friction from occurring in the gears. We also have spray lubrication, and this is suitable for high-speed gears. It is provided by using shaped nozzles with oil at a circulated pressure. It is provided by using shaped nozzles with oil at a circulated pressure. If you look at this is a gear system in a vehicle, and this is gear in a vehicle. There is oil in this container, being sprinkled on the gears. This is done before a vehicle moves out. In the morning, we see most times vehicle owners, they will look at the parts of their vehicle. At times they apply this type of lubricants to make sure that their gear systems do not disappoint on the way. So these are the 3 types of gear systems we have. I want you to look at this and resolve the questions in the Google form. We have come to the end of the lesson.